Hey everyone, and welcome back to Free X Drop. Hope you are having a great day. And today we are going to be looking at the topic factors and multiples. Factors and multiples of numbers. Now, if you know you are new to this channel, please I advise you subscribe. And for those of you who have not subscribed, please do it to subscribe so you can get more of our videos. And I really appreciate it. So you can also like our page on Facebook and to get more information too. That's for that. So for now, let's face this topic, factors and multiples. Now, for now, I'll be starting with factors and I'll be discussing factors. So what are factors of a number? Factors of a number are numbers which can divide that number. The factors of a number are the numbers which can divide that number. For example, the factors of 8. Example, factors of 8. Factors of 8 are the numbers which can divide 8. And those numbers which can divide it are, you have 1, starting with the lowest, 1 can divide 8. You have 2, you have 4, and you have 8 itself. So you see what I did right there? Factors of a number are the numbers which can divide that number. So the numbers which can divide 8 are the factors of 8. The numbers which can divide 4 are the factors of 4. The numbers which can divide any number that can divide that number is a factor of that particular number. They ask you to look for the factor of 1 million. Any number that can divide 1 million is a factor of 1 million. So it's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. You also have, they can give you a question, the factors of 9. You have 1, you have 3, and 9. Why did we not put 2? Because 2 cannot divide 9. Why did we put 1? Because 1 can divide 9. Why did we not put 0? No, that's not part of it. Why did we not put 4? 4 cannot divide 9. 5 cannot divide 9. 6 cannot divide 9. 7 cannot divide 9. 8 cannot divide 9. But 9 can divide 9. 10 and above, it cannot. You stop at the number you are solving for. You are solving for 8. Your last answer must be 8. Anything bigger than 8 is not amount. Don't go and be trying 9, 10, 11, 12. No, it's not amount. So if they say find the factor of 8, the last number must be 8. If they say find the factor of 9, the last number must be 9. The first number must be 1. 1 can divide all numbers. First number is 1, and the last number must be the number you are solving with. So this now, they say find the factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, and 8. Factors of 9, 1, 3, and 9. I hope you get that one. Again, factors are the numbers which can divide a particular number. Now I'm going to move from factors and I'm going to go for a subtopic now, which is common factors. Now, I'm going to a subtopic which is common factors. Now, what are common factors? For example, you know common things. What are common things? Common things are things you can see everywhere. For example, you go to the market, you see them. You go to the bookshop, you see them and things like that. You know, for example, you have shoes. You go to people's houses, you see shoes. You go to the market, you see shoes. You go to the hospital, you see shoes. It's a very common thing. You can't say you haven't seen a shoe before. So it's that common. Now, common factors are the factors you can see everywhere. For example, I give you a question. They said, find the common factors in 4, 8, and 16. Now you see the question. They said find the common factors in 4, 8, and 16. What are they trying to tell you? For example, imagine this is a market, imagine this is the palace, and imagine this is a school. They said find the common factors. What do you know that will be in a market, in a palace, and in a school? You understand? What do you know that will be in a market, a palace, and in a school? So that is a kind of question that they are asking us right now. Find the common factors in 4, 8, and 6. So they are trying to tell you which factor will you see if you go to 4, which factor will you see if you go to 8, and which factor will you see if you go to 16. So this is how you solve. You bring out your numbers. You have 4, you have 8, and you have 16. Now these are you solve. You are looking for the factors which you will see if you travel to 4, you will see them if you travel to 8, and if you see them travel to 4. So first of all, you have to know the numbers. The factors of 4 are what? I told you the first number will be 1. What else can divide 4? 2. What else can divide 4? And 4. 4 is the last number because you are solving with 4. So leave 5 and the rest. Leave them alone. Now, you solve for 8. You have 1, you have 2, you have 4, and you have 8. I'm bringing out the factors, the different factors. Now, 16 here. You have 1, you have 2, you have 4, you have 8, and you have 16. These are the factors of 4, these are the factors of 8, and these are the factors of 16. But they did not ask us look for the factors. They said look for the common factors. I told you common something is things that are everywhere. Now, what are the common factors? Which one is here, here, and here? Which factor will you see in 4? Will you see in 8? Will you see in 16? Those are what they said we should add. Now, from what we can see, the first thing there is 1. You can see 1 in everywhere. So meaning is common. 1 is everywhere, meaning is very common. Now you see 2. 2 is everywhere, meaning is common too. And you can see 4. 4 is everywhere, meaning is common too. Now there is no 8 and there is no 16. Do you understand? 8 is not at the top. 16 is not here. So they are not common. Now these are your answers for the common factors. Now bring your answers. Now these are our answers. You have 1, you have 2, and 4. Now these are our answers for the common factors. The factors that are common, not numbers that are common. Please, it is not numbers that are common. It is factors that are common. You don't just write out any number. You must check if it is a factor. First, you must look for the factors. These are the factors. Then you will check. You will check for the factors that are in all of them. Those are the factors that are common. The factors that are everywhere, factor in Lagos, Abuja, Edo State, they are everywhere, so they are very common. You can see them everywhere. Those are your common factors. Now, you may want to ask, what if they ask you for the highest common factor? It's simple. Out of the common factor, which one is the highest? 4. So your highest common factor is simply 4. And what if they ask you for your lowest common factor? Your lowest common factor is simply 1. That is a simple thing. First of all, you can find factors. I showed you how to find factors. Then second of all, you can find common factors. After you find common factors, highest common factor. Out of all the factors, which one is the highest? Out of all the common factors, which one is the highest? Out of all the lowest common factors, out of all the common factors, which one is the lowest? 1. You understand? So that is how you can find common factor and highest common factor. Highest common factor, lowest common factor, and common factors. So it's as easy as that. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you multiples, how to solve multiples, and how to find highest common multiple, lowest common multiple, common multiples. You understand? So for lowest common multiple, which is also popularly known as L.C.M, one of the most popular among this group. So I'm going to be showing you in the next video. But for now, I hope you understand it. If you don't understand, try to rewatch. And if you have any question, you can send it to the comment box and I will attend to it. Yeah, thank you. And thank you for watching the video for Fresh Drop. Always Fresh Drop. Please, if you know you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate and like our page for more. Thank you and bye-bye.